Yo, what up, team? It's your boys here, Forever Casual, coming at you live again. Today we're gonna go over something a little bit different. We're gonna do something a little bit more simplified than what we did in the last videos. Uh, we had a couple of people come at us saying, "Yo, what's going on? I don't even know what this is," you know. So for everybody who's pretty much new to like JavaScript and stuff like that, we're gonna take it a little bit slower. Uh, Try some stuff a little bit simpler. So the first thing we're gonna do is teach you guys how to declare variables, right? So there's several ways to declare variables in JavaScript. The first one here we're going to teach you is using the keyword let, right? So let, you just pretty much type let and then whatever name you want to name your variable, right? So it can be like variable1, it can be like cat, it can be like, name, you know, it can be like uh, hello, it can be anything. You can name it whatever. There's certain uh, methods and like practices you gotta like read about when it comes to variable naming, because you don't want to get people confused about what it is. So you want to keep it kind of close to what type of data you're putting into your variable. So we're gonna name this one num because we're gonna do a number. Actually, we'll just name it number so you know what's going on. And we're just gonna put 1, right? So let's go ahead and console.log number. And then we're gonna log number. Uh-oh. And let's run it and see what happens. Boom. See, it's printing out to the screen 1. That's what console.log does, by the way. It prints to the console, basically. So okay, let's do something else. Let's let's name. Actually, we'll just keep it number. The name doesn't matter, by the way, like I said. But you want it to be like kind of what you're going to put in here. So let's try another number. We'll do 4. Boom, 4. Let's do 1337. There it is again. All right. So const is the second keyword to use when when declaring variables in JavaScript. And constant pretty much means like you're going to declare a variable and you don't want that variable to change. It stays constant, right? And we're going to go over what that means here in a little bit. But for now, we're just going to say const name equals, and we're going to say Johnny, right? And then let's go ahead and log name. All right, let's run it. Boom, 1337 Johnny. All right, so what I did here was I put it's called a string data type. That's why I put those little quotes around it. So like when you're doing numbers, you don't want to put quotes around your data, but you do want to do it when you're using strings. Like I'll show you why. So and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the difference between const and let. So uh, let allows you to basically change your variables, like, or reassign the values of your variables, and constant does not. Constant, like I said, it keeps the variable constant. So we'll do like number, and then we're going to try to reassign number here, right? So we're going to do 1337 plus 1, right? And we're going to try this console.log and see what happens. Boom, 1338, right? So let me tell you why you don't put quotes around your number variables. What do you think that's going to come out to be? Let's run it and see. 1337 plus 1. That's why you don't put quotes around it, because it's for string types. And then let's go here and try to reassign Johnny. Let me show you what I mean by constants not being immutable, or being immutable, because you can't change them. So let's try to reassign Johnny to just John and see what happens. Syntax error. It's because you can't reassign constant variables. So let's take the quotes out of this, and then let me show you another way to declare variables using JavaScript, but it's outdated and don't even worry about using it, but you're going to see it. So var is the other keyword. So var, let's do we're going to name this one cat. And we're going to just say meow. Right? And then we're going to go here. Let's console.log cat. Uh-oh. Can't type today. Alright. Boom. Meow. You see that? Yeah, you'll see the var keyword probably still quite a bit, but like I said, don't practice using it. Use let and const. Practice using let and const. So let's go ahead and get rid of that so yeah, I don't try to use it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for declaring variables. You can do pretty much put anything in these values or any data type as long as it fits this right here, the data types that JavaScript allow. Look this up, by the way, if you don't know what that is. You got to do a lot of research because it's just too much to go in depth about in a single video. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll come back at you with another video soon.